Hey traders, so how are you guys doing? Here we are 30 minutes into the opening. See how the 5-minute chart here, you can see we broke the orb low, trying to establish the IB here. We have 30 more minutes there, but we broke the orb low. Looks like it's going to retest here. We'll see what's going to come back down here. We made a trade here. $13 loss. Not bad. So let's see where they want to take this. Let's see looking at my wealth charts as well. So we have strong resistance right here by the teal bar right here. Strong resistance. So here's our orb low right here. So that's what it's testing right now. Again, this is 11 by 2. This is a Ninja Renko chart. We're right at above the -1 deviation right now. Let me just turn off the camera a bit because I am having my dinner. Let me see here. There it is, going past. We're going up to the VWAP, it looks like. Well, at least to the -0.5 here. There it is. Should have gotten right here. Yeah, I don't trade maybe around 30. Well, it's already past 30 minutes, so they might try to test the VWAP here. Pull back. I want to see a pullback. Right here, broke the break of structure right there. Could have been a good trade. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna. I'm not gonna chase this trade. Did it happen? Yeah, I'm looking for a pullback. So we close back into the. Where's my? We basically close back into the orb. There's our pullback. Hitting that POS, the POC, I mean, point of control.
Order filled.
Will this will this create a higher high? Hopefully it does. It was just a fake out. Oh, I got to look at the Wells charts because the thing is, my server here kind of cut out again. Right there's a VWAP. I want first target here. Second target is basically going to be, if we get past here, you see we created a lower high. We create a lower low here. And just might. So we're getting also higher low. So maybe a wedge. I already hit that. Okay. See what's going to happen here. So I was struggling to get up there. Where do we see the pullback here? Right here. Yeah, looks like you're trying to hold that. Let me pull back right here by the 50%. Let's see. Stop me out.
Filled.
Didn't quite create a higher high, but after that just went dead. So it may come back here for a deep pullback. May continue coming back up. Or may try to test down here to the -1 deviation, which I'll take that scalp.
Order filled.
Create a lower low, higher high. Right now it doesn't know where it wants to go. And you can see the 233 is flat, meaning it's going to be going. There's no momentum. So we're in the what we call the range zone. We're between the -1 and the VWAP. So most likely it will probably try to range here.
Target filled. Stop filled.
That's fine, as long as I don't get a loss. It hit the -1 deviation, went back up, and most likely it's going to try to arrange here.
Buy order filled.
By just buying some on wealth charts. And there's no momentum going up here.
Target filled. Target filled.
So they're above hitting the VWAP there. I'm in profit right now.
Limit order filled.
Hit my target on wealth charts. That's my first target. Oh, is this going past? So it went down all the way down to here on the 65%. Probably hit the target right here. See the pullback there. We're at the VWAP, so let's see what happens here. Pullback. If it's going to continue, it's going to create a higher high here.
Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Limit order filled.
Hit the eye behind, just came back down. So basically a pullback. Let's see if we can hit, it's going to go past it. What time is it? No, it's not. Okay, it might create 5 more minutes before official initial balance is established. Let's see if we can get that high up there. Or at least establish a new high for the IB range. See, it bounces off this. Got 3 minutes for the IB to be established. Right now, there it is right now. That's why they're not trying to break it right now. Let's see what happens at the bottom of the hour. This may continue coming down. It hit our extension here on the fib. Yep, there it is.
Stop filled.
They already hit our extension here. That's why. So I'm at 122. Yeah, it's going to come down. Got a rejection here in the top at the IB high. Going back to the VWAP. Let's see what's going to happen here. Dropping pretty fast. Let's test the IB low now. I just want to see a pullback. Could have gotten here. That would have been an entry right here. Would have been great. That's fine. A lot more opportunities rather than chasing. There's IB lows down here. Where is it? I think it's down here somewhere.
Order filled. Target filled.
There we go. This one was the IB low down here. That's going to put that.
Target filled.
Moving too fast. So I'm at 310, almost to my target. There's the IB low.
Sell order filled.
Hit the -1. Deviation went up. Let's see. I'm looking at this orb right now on the wealth charts. That's the reason why. Let me test this here. Let's see. Let's see if it's going to come down or it's going to come back up. Again, here's the VWAP. This may be just a pullback coming from here. Yeah, 50% pullback right there in the C. I'll bounce off the 310 here. Or will it continue coming down? Again, this is the fib retracement. Hit the 50% right there on the dot. Market's doing good. He's one of my students. Okay, so it looks like it might come up. I don't trust this. You test that VWAP and come down. But do I want to scalp it? I don't know. I'll just do that.
Order filled.
See, it might just come back down. See, lower high there, right there. So it may come down now. And that's what I was expecting. I should not have done that.
Stop filled.
There it is. See a pullback here. The 233, that's fine. Not much of a loss. Wait, so now it's going to come back up. Respecting this super trend. Oh man, you just want to just take me out, I think. I think my server's going to cut out again. So you're getting lower highs, lower lows. Let's see, do another lower low here. It broke the structure.
Order filled. Order filled.
I don't like this one. It didn't create a lower low. It actually created a higher low. That's what concerns me. As he bounces off the 233. I'll bring this down. Don't risk that much. Does it there. Bouncing off the 233. So you create a lower low here. Yep, there it is. We created a lower low. It's only going to bounce off that -1 deviation. See if they continue coming down.
Limit order filled.
There it is. I hit that on the.
Target filled.
There we go. So we can get down here.
Limit order filled.
Order filled.
Should wait for the pullback. Let's make it all the way down here. Let's see. Just see if I can split this order up. Target 2. Decrease.
Target filled.
Here's an extension down there. Okay, let me see if I can hit that.
Sub filled.
That's fine. It hit -2, which I should have just let it go. It's 7:27. I am done for the day. So I copy traded this as well on my other PA. 7:27. Let's see here. I hope I did. Oh, wow. Don't tell me it didn't get copied. What? Oh man, I didn't make sure that, man. Oh, I didn't have it on. My bad. That was my fault. I should have checked. See, that's what happens. Well, that's okay. I'll be trading that later. Let me do this because I have several. I think I have several other accounts on here. Let me check something here. I can do that. So that's 95. Man, that'd be great if I had that. I have other 50Ks here. I also have these new ones. So I'll do that. Copy this 95. It's only 1050, so let's see what we can do. These are like new accounts. So this one, I'll be do this at 92. Oh, where's that replicant? Here we are. So instead of 92, it's going to be 95, the leader. And I'm going to have the other accounts I just saw. Let me just put up my rhythmic account here. So exactly what I needed, a copy trade. So on my wealth charts, what am I up here? I think I should be doing it there. Oh, wow. 509. And I'll take that. I'm done with the wealth charts. I should be copy trading that on as well. So I'm good with wealth charts. Too bad I didn't copy trade this, but we have an opportunity here. Let me see here. So this one I'm going to have as 95 right here, this PA. Okay. And what I'll be copying over here would be, oh, well, I have two more. I want to make sure that I'm copying the right trades here. Dashboard. UL. Okay, let me see here. I still have that one. Okay, 410. No. That one. 8.5. Okay, I'll do that. 405. 16, 17, 19. 16. There. Okay, let's see. We'll trade this until midnight or until we hit the goal. Okay. Oh, look at this. Nice trade going from the -2 to -1. That exact textbook. So where are we going here with this? Ish. Yes, 11.2. In fact, I've been talking about that in my class with another group. I uploaded the you'll see in I uploaded some things here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to send you the recording of my class with my other class there, Emil, and you can listen to what we're doing. So 11.2 is basically the stand in your lane system by Features Fanatic. So what is this? We already hit our, see this? We hit our target down here, our extension down there. Went to the -2. Didn't quite get to the -1.1.25 extension on the IV. So we're going back to the view app here, which is expected. Let me see here. So again, I mean 727 just trading micros. I mean minimal, and there's really no stress. Let me see here. What am I looking for? Just want to look at the 5-minute chart to see where this is going, to be exact. Okay, I see. So here we go. You have a pullback here. This is let's see if they're going to get past this area right here. That's important. It gets past here. At least you get the view app. And since we've been messing around there, -2, you may test up here somewhere. Somewhere up here. Oops, sorry about that. Somewhere up here. Why doesn't this keep on coming up like that? Oh, no wonder. Pressing the wrong button. Right here. Somewhere around here. So let me see this break here before I enter a trade. I want to see it break this right here. Close above that. Because it may just hit this and come back down. And see, like I said. So let's see what's going to happen here. Actually created a lower high. See that? It created a lower high. But our super trend indicator is still going up. So let's see if it trips this off. Probably test this 233. That's why I didn't take this trade. Here, we may now bust that. There we go. So I'll take that. Target is right here by the
Order filled.
by the view app. Break of structure. Let's see if it's going to continue going up. Now that was a trick trade.
Stop filled.
Create a higher high, came back down. There's your liquidity sweep. But most likely it bounce off. Let's see, it bounces off the 233 here. Only $157 loss. That's fine. May just bounce off that, like I said, bounce off that 233, which it did. I see a pullback here. Those of you who are conservative, you want to wait till the green. Once we flip this super trend right there, so now you see the bars turn green. What I want to do is really hit that, come back down, pull back, and then go back up. That's what I'm going to wait for. That's a more high probability setup. See this? It probably trip this again. Once again, this break of structure, then come back down, and then go back up. Let's see if that happens. It's exactly what it did here. See this? See if they do the same thing here. We have about an hour left in our trading session. See that breaker structure. They already tried to pull back there once, so let's see.
Order filled.
This one I'm going to feel it's going to get up here. We have a value area high up here. We're above the POC right now. There's the pullback that I should have waited for. Again, broke the structure. Will it come down here again? Oh, wow. Come on now. Basically, it swings down here. Again, we didn't get it create a higher high there. Very concerning. They just want to stop me out. That's all. Let's see what I'm going to do with the 233 again. Will they bounce off the 233 here? Man, they're just taking their time here. Lack of momentum. Let's see if they bounce off the 233. Nope. 322, I'm down there. So
Stop filled.
one more loss and I'm done for the day for that one. Look at that. Deep pullback. Now they're trying to get back up again. So we're back between the VWAP and the plus minus one, and that's where they're going to be ranging it looks like. One more trade. If I lose that, then I'm done for the day for that. I'm done for the day. See, look at that. As usual, a deep pullback, they bring it back up again. That's how they like playing dirty. See, they already flipped this trend right here. I want to wait for them to flip this trend again. This trend indicator. They just really went down all the way down. They just get me stopped out. Then they bring it up. Yeah, I don't know what they're doing here. They're gonna bring this down, it looks like.
Order filled.
They did break here by one tick. And here we go again. They're gonna trick me to go back up again.
Order canceled.
Okay, one of them, that's one of my accounts that no, they're gonna stop me out. That's fine. They stop me out, they stop me out. Okay, I'm out. I'm done. This is just going.
Stop
This
filled.
can be eventually just chop me out. I want to see this pull back, come back up. If that's going to be again deep pullback, they create a lower low here, but they just we're getting lower highs and lower lows, and they just brought it up. Not really obeying market structure right now. Again, they're just going up and down between this VWAP and minus. Well, right now it's a tight range right now with this bullish fair value gap. See, they broke this. They broke the structure, but then they're gonna try to bring it down again. Yeah, see. They're just cleaning all these traders out that have those trades up there and then bring it down. What time is it? We'll give it another 20 minutes. When price is in this range right here, you don't want to trade it. It's going to go up and down. Okay, let me see. At least I got one of my PAs up. The most important one. Let me see here. Who's NC? I don't know. NC, do I know who you are? On that. Okay. I think you said something in that. In fact, let me. Was it you, Nat, who said the template that I gave was looking for the order flow? Maybe I sent you the wrong. I uploaded the wrong one. Let me upload the right one. Let me upload the right one. Is that what you said? Let me look at the message here. Was that you, Nat? Let me see. Yeah, let me. Okay, let me get. I uploaded the wrong template. The one with that doesn't need. Okay, I just want to catch this. Look at this. So we're breaking down here. I want to see it break below the right here, the -1 deviation break, because that's where actually that's what they want to do is what you want to see here is break this below the bullish fair value gap, come down here, break the -1 deviation, come back up, and come back down. They see that's how they're going to do that. That I'll upload that once I see what they're trying to do here. There's a pullback. Yeah, since you're in my group, Nat, I'll upload the video to you guys. So here you can see it's reacting off this bullish fair value gap. You see how it bounced off? Let's see if they continue getting, basically this is also a pullback. Let's see if they're going to continue coming down. At least below the -1 deviation here. Trying to hit the -2. They may also bounce off the minus one deviation and come back up. Let's see. Okay, let's see what they do here. Oh, I got to get rid of one here
Order filled.
because I know I blew one. That was on the brink of dying anyway, so it's not one of the new ones. So this is going to come down here. Again, you see the initial balance low down here. They're going to try to break this. This is the time they usually break it. So I'll bring this down to the minus 1.25 extension, or even just maybe here. Let's see what they do here. They'll be playing on here for a bit. Oh, there's one down there. So let's see what they're going to try to do here. This one, I'm going to get down here, the IB low, right around here. I want to see this break the minus one, pull back, then come back down. Once they come back down, then I'll add more contracts here. There's the pullback. Let's see they come back down. There it is. Oops, that's a different. Yeah, I forgot to take it out. I got to take that other
Order
account.
submitted.
That's the reason why. Okay, this one, I want to take this down here. This one, I'm going to decrease the price, which is a 3. Down to the minus 2. Oops. This one at the minus 1.25 or 1.5, just in case it bounces off here. Trailing stop. At least give it some room. I'll do it right here. As long as we're getting lower highs here and lower lows. Like that. Well, not quite lower low there. This may bounce off the 233. Like I said, the 233. Hopefully that's what they do. Oh my gosh. What do they do? They are not honoring this market structure at all. Watch, I'm just going to tease this as they're going to come back down here. That's a deep pullback if they bring it down. That's a deep pullback. Yep. They really. Yep. Done. 710. Look at this. This is just really unbelievable.
Stop filled.
Let me see that one. Take that other account off. Yeah, they're just really messing around right now. I wouldn't want to trade this account. Yeah, this is the one. I honestly want to look at the 5-minute chart and see what they're messing around with here. Yeah, they're just really going nowhere. Value area low. They just bounced off there. We're now at the POC. Do they want to bring this up? Go back up again. Bouncing off the POC. Yeah, they're just ranging it right now. So will they create, since they created a higher low here, will they create a higher high? Let's see by that assumption that they will.
Order filled.
And if not, then you know what? Trade another day. Right? Yeah, it's already red candles. 785.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, it's just bouncing off that fair value, that value area low.
Order filled. Order filled.
Convenient time for the server to cut out. Ugh. No. Man, they see, I hate that. They did a lower low, lower high. All of a sudden,
Stop
just
filled.
out of nowhere, they bring this up. That's when you don't have market structure. They're not honoring. There's no market structure in that one. Yeah, so we're getting lower lows, lower highs, and they all of a sudden they bring it up. Those are algos going off. At least I got something back. 618 down. Yeah, they're just bouncing up. Oh man, 1.5. That kind of really irritates me. See this? It continues, you know, following the pattern, lower, 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 high, and then they just bring it up. There's no level here. I don't know what they're bringing up there for. There must have been some level here, which I have no idea.
Order filled.
You know what? This one, you got to take this up now.
Order filled.
Okay, this is machine trading. There's no sense in going. What's going on here? Close this. Let me see.
Order filled. Order filled.
Look at this. Again, higher high. Then bring it down. Pull back. This is the make or break right here. Oh, there. They brought it up. Let's see. No momentum, whatever. Look at this. If they're going to continue to bring this down, I'm going to be really disappointed. Yep. Yep. There it is. 296. I'm down 1,004. I don't know which one that is. I'm really.
Order canceled.
Did I blow up a PA here? Yep. I blew up a PA here. Oh, that sucks. So what I have is 416. So that's why you don't trade when it's already done. I think this time I'm pretty much done. So there's no there's no there's no price structure at all. You can lower highs, but we're not getting lower lows. But when we get a lower low, it does the opposite thing. So really, no structure at all.
Order submitted.
Oops, which one is that? Ah, that's why PA. Which one I have is this? 32, I believe. $16. Okay.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
This is crazy. Oh my gosh, what are they doing here? Yeah, I'm done. This is $1,500. I have around
Order
1,000 to play
filled.
around with this, so I'm done. I'll just wait till tomorrow. This is unbelievable. This price action, there's no structure, nothing. It's being done by algos. Okay, guys, I'm done. Passed one with 757, and yeah, after this, after 11:30, it just stopped trading. Just got done to it got down here to 1.25, and that's about it. Then it just started. Just ranging after that. Okay, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm going to trade the afternoon session and see how that's moving. So right now, that's on a range. So I'm profitable. It's 500 over in wealth charts. That's a PA. I further go up in my other PA. The PA that I broke, basically what happened there, or that I busted, was basically that was already near its death. I brought it out of its death, and now I just killed it for sure. But the other one, I'm already, what is that? Over, that's 92. Let me see. Yeah, I'm at 52, 187 there. So doing pretty good with that. Guys, tomorrow we'll trade the same time. Well, probably not. I'll probably be in a meeting. So I'll probably not do a live stream until maybe in the afternoon session or something. Okay. Take care, stay safe, and God bless. And Emil and Nat, I'll be putting up that recorded session that I had with another group of students. I'll upload that. I will upload that in the KTC chat room. Okay. Take care. Stay safe. Bye bye.